First thing you want to do is get a good visual reference and trace it, just the outlines of forms, onto the pie dough. In this one you can see that I put another layer on for the face, just to give it some height and to create the illusion of depth, and then you start building up all of your features with an understanding of basic anatomy. The next thing I do is I just use Wilton gel food coloring, and I just do a little paint before I bake it, and then into the oven. Once it comes out of the oven, let it fully cool, and then really carefully you're going to lift it up and place it in place on your pie. And you already have an idea of where it's going to go, and just be very gentle with it. Sometimes I'll put another layer of pie dough under it before I bake it if it seems really thin, and that assures that it's nice and thick, like a cookie. And then you place it, and voila. It's always fun to add extra little pieces, invest in some good cookie cutters that have letters and numbers and symbols, and for different holiday seasons, different shapes. The zigzag border is even from like a stencil that I cut. And of course, take lots of pictures. Enjoy.